So in this video, we will install nodeJS on Windows 10 machine. For that, we'll search nodeJS on Google. We'll go to the first link, nodeJS download. We'll select the latest stable version and for Windows 64 bits. So here you can select based on the Windows machine type if it's 32 bits or 64 bits. Mine is 64, so I'll be selecting 64 bits. Downloading. So after we are completely downloaded nodeJS successfully, we'll go to the download folder and double click on this. So it will start installing nodeJS on a Windows 10 machine. So in this model, we'll select next. I accept terms and license agreement. You can go through them, read them once if possible. Next, the folder where you want to install this. Next, I'll go with default setting. Next, we don't need chocolatey at present. We'll do next, install. It will start installing nodeJS on my local PC. So it is still installing. We'll wait for a few minutes or few seconds till it completes the installation. So once we have finished installing nodeJS, we can check if it is installed properly and the current version by going to CMD and then opening it. I already have it open here. So we can do as node-v to check the version of the node installed. It will give me the version that is 14.18.1. So we have successfully installed nodeJS on Windows 10 machine. Thank you.